My name is Terri Bailey, and I'm the Executive Director for the American Lung Association in Oklahoma. At the American Lung Association, our mission is to save lives by preventing lung disease and improving lung health for all Americans. And we do that through education, advocacy, and research, which raises critical funds to really fight all lung diseases. So I'm so proud to say that the funds that we raise here in Oklahoma actually stay in Oklahoma. So partnering with Homes by Tabor is such a huge help to us in providing our mission. We do a lot of really great programs like our Open Airways, which is a school program for children living with asthma. We have an amazing school program that is called our Vape-Free School Initiative that's really helping to educate not only the students on the danger of vaping and tobacco in general, but also helping parents and school administrators and teachers, and what can we do to address this epidemic. And then we've also got some really great programs to help those living with lung cancer and COPD and improving clean air. We just do so much in our community just to help Oklahomans breathe a little bit easier. If anyone wants to volunteer or to donate to the American Lung Association, we have a lot of really great ways you can get involved. So you can always call us at our office, and my email is terri.bailey@lung.org, and you can just reach out to me, and we have lots of different ways. We've got events that are coming up. Oh, the best one that we have is Turquoise Takeover Week is going to be the second week of May, and it's going to be such a wonderful week just to bring in awareness to lung cancer. And so turquoise is our color for Lung Force, and so Lung Force is truly just focused on lung cancer awareness, education, advocacy, and research on how we can really defeat this horrible disease. And so we encourage anybody for that second week of May to wear turquoise, post it on social media, tag us at American Lung OK, and we'll repost. And we just want to get as many people aware of lung disease as possible. And we have a great website that you can go to learn more about it as well. It's lungforce.org.